Welcome to the Schneider Electric plant in Pieve di Cento, near Bologna, where excellence in emergency lighting is manufactured. Here, our people manage all stages of new product development and implementation, from continuous interaction with the market to the post-sales phase, ensuring all-round, end-to-end support. With our expertise, we guarantee precision and dedication in each step of the process, maintaining the highest standards. But we don't stop there. Through our know-how and high levels of refinement of our processes, we take daily actions to combine high performance of our products with reduced environmental impact. We invest in our people and technology, merging skills, digitalization, connectivity and operational efficiency to elevate Italian engineering excellence. We test all our products one by one in-house, thanks to our highly automated internal process capability, bringing a new level of product robustness and reliability to the market. We showcase how technology and digitization benefit our team, customers, and the environment, hosting regular meetings with industry experts to foster innovation. Through our commitment to innovation, connectivity, and safety, we are dedicated to creating emergency lighting solutions that contribute to a sustainable and secure future for all, our employees, partners, and customers alike.